can see. Come a little closer to me. It's the roller coaster. Don't feel defeated. I'll give you motive. I'll give you a reason. I can't find your love nowhere anymore. I wanted you to stay with me, to stay with me, to save me. I wanted you to stay with me wherever you go. I can't pretend it. Don't understand this is something that's not. You got me locked on your love like a drug.
Cause are you don't think somebody broke in a shop, you know, man? What go on? You not go to school today?
I'm not in class today. Never think me tell her that.
Cause I think remember say whole heap of thing dey on the eye brain, you know. But me think say school a full time for you still, that's it.
Well, I have school full time, but it depends on the days them.
Okay. Cause me think it's a mission you depend today, you know, cause remember say one time me do young too, you know.
So what kind of mission you talk about?
I want to hear you. No girl mission, my lad. I want to remember say we have the chicks on the streets. One time, you know.
Eh, so you usually run them program there. So you behave like a one burner.
Oh, what you say to me? In general, they usually call me Dr. Smooth with a look bit of road. I run some show you what I'm going. Yes, when time me a your age, me a run road red. I want to take crazy amount of females what you talk about. So what go on? You have a girlfriend?
No, you know. But me have a one mom's there pre me, you know.
Moms? That's one like a big woman.
Not really. She my age group.
Perfect. Me gonna tell you what go on now. Just like what your age, you have a sure say you're top girls. Yeah, she have a rate even more. You want to carry her brother, she not gonna look for your brother.
Cause, I'm not telling a lie. Never know say run them program there. So you move like a bird, one burner, you know.
Yo, let me tell you how I usually run the game. Cause all three girls are there. Wap. I saw me I did it for you there. That's why me I tell you say you have to learn, you have to take up a book and just focus on one woman. Nothing wrong with being one burner, you know. Nothing wrong with other people. Other people gonna careless. One burner and you learn everything good.
Yeah, cause me understand. Morning Tonian.
Morning Ricardo. Never know say you're coming today.
Yeah, I'm not in class today. So I just decide to forward and stay for the day.
Alright, thanks. Me I can go up on the road. And your girl is cousin I can go up on the road too. So me see you later. Come Mr. Wap.
So you used to have 3 girls at the end, Mr. Sir?
No, it's not like that. I'm a friend them. We with them run it off, all 3 women are there and them thing that something make you know say enough to follow people and anything there because things are go wrong.
Mm-hmm. If you say so.
So babe, which part you have class today?
You take campus. Me go teach some of my tourism them today.
So, how long it will take?
Not gonna take long. As me finish doing me I come home and relieve Ricardo.
Alright.